My biggest win with Excel University was Jeff's speed loop process, because that really showed how to holistically think about a process, all the steps involved, and how to improve each one. We spend a lot less time in terms of processing data and more time using analytics. So my name is Rob. I'm based out of New York. My job title is Director of Accounting. A lot of our month-end close process was highly manual. There was a lot of copying and pasting and parsing of reports. The work done in order to get to the data to do our analytical work was just very tedious. We were really frustrated with the workload. We knew that the data was there and it would be simple to process, once we had it in a usable format, but it was just a matter of getting it to that point. Well, within our monthly close process, we're really able to focus a lot more on the analytics. So rather than spending so much time in terms of transforming data and getting into the proper format, we're really spending quality time adding value to the month-end close process. For our department, it allows us to really contribute to let management know what's driving the business. It's really soup to nuts. You really, using Excel University rather than Google searching, you can learn the proper way to write a macro. You rather than just solving the immediate problem at hand, it really gives you the tools to look at it more holistically. Previously, one of our main processes took us 4 days to complete. Using the concepts learned in the macro course, we were able to download 120 reports within a minute, process all the entries within a day, and really have that process nailed down within one business day. My department, my immediate reports, they've been able to take on additional work. We've been able to add companies under their responsibility without having to add headcount. So it's really tremendous. Someone who's driven, someone who wants to improve processes, somebody who uses Excel or their group uses Excel, they would definitely benefit, just because it's beyond, especially the macro class, it's beyond what you see in the spreadsheet. It actually shows you how to maneuver Excel as an entire process. And if you're someone who wants to improve your accounting department's handling of data, I think this is the course for you.